Hey everyone, today we will show you how to calculate the square root in Microsoft Excel. If you work with numbers, formulas, or data analysis, this tutorial is for you. On your Microsoft Excel dashboard, there are two ways to find the square root of a number. For the first way, type equals and then type sqrt. You will see the function appear. Just click on it. An open parenthesis will appear automatically. Now, simply select the cell you want to use, then type the close parenthesis and press Enter. You will now see the result. You can apply this to any value in your sheet and get the answer right away. For the second way, type equals, then click the cell you want to use. Next, type the caret symbol using Shift and 6, then an open parenthesis, and type 1 divided by 2, then a close parenthesis, and press Enter. This formula also gives you the square root. Go ahead and press Enter, and you will get the same result. If you drag the formula down, it will apply to all the rows below. Both methods work well for finding the square root in Excel. Whether you use the built-in function or the formula, you can quickly calculate square roots for any number in your spreadsheet.